The home tour is going to give the sellers a chance to tell you what they think about their home and gives you a chance to assess the general condition of the property and how that fits into the neighborhood. While going through the home, listen carefully and take notes. Is this nicer than other homes in the neighborhood? Newer, updated, larger? Does it have built ins? An addition? Think about whether you agree with what the sellers are saying, but this is not the time to openly disagree with them. Pay attention to which features the homeowners point out and what they tell you about them. Now is not the time to make suggestions about staging or paint color unless they bring it up. Many agents use the home tour as a chance to spend quality time with the seller. Let the homeowners take their time and tell you all about the home and the happy things that have happened there over the years. If you demonstrate that you are understanding and can relate to them on a personal level, they may prefer to work with you.